Okay, Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series 53. Almost completely framed. The plexiglass is in, sealed in with 2 layers of mat board in the back. I've got to get a piece of masonite or plywood thin. Thank you, Budgie Wedges. I appreciate your input there. Very good, very good. Completely seal it in. Try to make this a 2-minute video. Just want to point out that 3 older drawings, or sets of drawings. 1973, I did this. I pulled it out of a sketchbook. In that year, I was a freshman art major at Parkland Junior College, Champaign, Illinois. I don't remember where I did the imagery from. 2 men, like in a jail cell. These 2 studies in ink I did in 2013, 2 studies of child war victim. Also, I'm not sure where I did the imagery from, possibly from bombing victims, missile airstrikes in Beirut, Lebanon, from a New York Times article, possibly. And these 2 drawings of my right hand, I'm left-handed, so I always drew my right hand. I had an art assignment with this teacher's class, Mr. Frank Diefenworth, teacher at Martin Van Buren High School in Queens Village, New York, in 68. And I had an assignment. I have 12 pencil studies, including these 2, and of my right hand, and 12 of shoes. And evidently, when I submitted the hands, I hadn't submitted all 12 of them. Just he wrote on the bottom of this one. I cut it out to fit in here from the rectilinear page. It was on 12 hands needed, not finished. Dated March 14th, 68. Wow. This one, number 7, extra in parentheses, I wrote dated 5/6/8, May 1968. All right, and then all the rest are over 2 minutes here. Just a quick overview of all the allegorical sea monsters, insects, and the memorial drawing to social justice-oriented slain Catholic Archbishop Romero of El Salvador. The perpetrators who slayed him between death squad and the police and military, ultra-right wing, very similar to American Republicans of 2022, Trump and DeSantis and McConnell and all the other Republicans who embrace the slaughter and genocide of American gun rights. 1.5 million Americans of all ages, babies to elderly, slain since 1968, again the year I graduated high school. And they also embraced Trump's racism, xenophobia, anti-black hate, and with the birther campaign and his anti-Semitism, with his campaign tweet of Mrs. Clinton with money and a Star of David, and his horrific anti-Hispanic and Hispanic American and anti-Asian and Asian American remarks and comments. All right, there you have it. Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights Art Series 53. The temptation to do good and to speak out on behalf of the poor and the disenfranchised and against extremist violence and martyrdom of Archbishop Romero of El Salvador in 1980.